Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Branding Tips Tuesday. Today, we're going to talk about surveying your clients and what kind of questions to ask your customers to make sure you really understand how they feel about you. So, one of the most common questions that companies ask their clients is how satisfied are with us? Um, how how valuable rate how much value you find in our product or service. And the problem with those is that satisfaction and value are so subjective that it's really hard to gauge how someone feels about you if you're merely asking about value and satisfaction. So the problem with satisfaction is that it's kind of a word that doesn't mean much. And usually, when clients are talking about satisfaction or scoring you based on satisfaction, they kind of just round out a number. Maybe they'll give you an 8 or 9, and you can't really do much with that because it doesn't. You can be satisfied but not willing to recommend um, your business. So it's difficult to really understand how happy they are with you because satisfaction is a much more it's a more neutral term. So the problem with value is that it can be tied to money. And when you ask the question, how much value do we bring or how valuable are we to you? A lot of times it has to do with specifically how much they're paying for. And so basically you're asking a pricing question, which is different than you trying to understand how meaningful you are to them or what kind of problems you're solving in their life. So I'd recommend not asking much about satisfaction or value, and instead asking more specific questions like, what problem have we helped you solve? Or, if we were to disappear tomorrow, what would you miss most about us? Those two questions help you understand what pain points you are eliminating in your client's life and what they truly find most valuable about doing business with you specifically that isn't tied to money. So, again, those questions are, what problems are we solving in your life? And what would you miss most about us if we disappeared tomorrow? Asking those two questions will give a much better picture of how your customer feels about you and why they do business with you.